Hi, I'm Matt Clemens.
Hello, my name is Mark Hildebrand.
My name is Nash Walsh.
Hi, my name is Connor Davis.
Hi, my name is Noah Stanley.
I'm Aaron Hochsteller.
Hi, I'm Brandon Perkins. I'm a student here in the Power Generations program at Ohio Technical College.
In fact, the reason why I came here and also chose to do diesel was because of this program.
When I first got to Ohio Technical College, all the teachers talked about how difficult it was to get into the program, how the program is only for top tier students, and I wanted to be that student.
One of the most important things is attendance. Be here every day, be here on time, pay attention.
Definitely stay focused, pay attention to your instructor, take notes, study. All that's important. Like, you can't mess around with your schooling in this. It's not like high school. It's ask questions, be attentive, follow the instructor around. Obviously, they're here for a reason, so they know what they're doing. So you're going to learn something just by being around them.
Mr. Eggert is definitely a one-of-a-kind teacher, as long as if you are professional, willing to learn, willing to ask really dumb questions, you'll learn a lot. And I've learned a whole lot more from Mr. Eggert, a lot more. It's quite astonishing, honestly.
A lot of these power generation companies in Ohio know who Eggert is, and they know if they hire someone coming out of this program, they got a pretty good candidate. He knows anything and everything there is about power generation, AC electrical, diesel engines.
Mr. Eggert is a very interesting and involved teacher. Very comical at the best times and serious at the most important parts, especially with safety and everything like that. He's very important on.
Mr. Eggert's been the ideal person, the ideal teacher to model after, and it's just been cool to be able to learn from someone that's been here since 1979 and has been teaching for most of his career, and he definitely has a passion for it.
The guy's a legend. Mox Eggert is a legend.
Mox is a legend, that's for sure.
Mox is a legend.